Here's how to create a restore point. A system restore point is a backup copy of important Windows operating system files and settings that can be used to recover the system to an earlier point of time in the event of system failure or instability. So, let's start. First, click on the Start menu, then type Create a restore point. Press Enter key. You will see a window in the desktop. Make sure to turn on system protection. If not, click Configure. First, you need to click on the button saying Turn on System Protection. And now you need to change the disk space usage. I recommend you to put it to 6.21 gigabytes. If you already have system protection on in the drive where Windows is installed, click on that drive and click Create. Type a name for the identification of the restore point and click Create. It'll take some time and done.